Let's try a bunch of snacks from Jamaica. First up, we have these strawberry ballers. Ooh, they're like coated in like sugar almost. I like the flavor. Moving on to some cheese curls. I think these are like cheese doodles. I have to say, I love that you can actually read the ingredients in these things. In the US, all of our cheese doodles have like, I can't even pronounce it. Moving on to these nacho cheese crackers. Oh, I was not expecting it to look like this. I thought it was gonna be like those little cracker sandwiches here in the US. Ooh, kind of tastes like a Cheez-It, but like more flavorful. Moving on to these chippies. These are just banana chips. It is salted just right. Next up is this spiced bun. The label got a little messy. This looks like bread. Smells good.